Welcome back to Rick's Reflections, where we take a look at the upcoming Sunday Gospel reading and see how it applies to our lives today. This Sunday, we celebrate the Epiphany of the Lord. Last week, we had the lowest of the low, the shepherds, coming to visit the Christ child. This week, we get the opposite end, the wisest, the most powerful, the wealthiest. We get the wise men who come and visit the Christ child. But here's the crazy part, is that the reception is the same. Both sets, the shepherds and the wise men, receive the baby Jesus as the Christ. And they pay him homage, they give him gifts, and they're even warned by an angel not to go back to Herod, because Herod wants to find him too. And this is what I also find fascinating, is that Herod, a non-believer, believes so much that he is going to become the ruler that he ends up slaughtering children just to try to find this new ruler, this new leader, and to stop him from taking over. Now, I don't know about you, but I would almost think that it's easiest for the shepherds to believe. They have nothing, not influential. Yet on this opposite end of the spectrum, those that have the most to lose are also paying homage to him. Don't we kind of see that today in today's society? Might it not be harder for those with more to have to give that up, to say that there is somebody bigger, more powerful, who has more to offer than I do? It can be. So this week, as we really pay attention to how we view the Christ child, how we view God with us, may we also have an understanding of those who have a lot to lose. May we be patient with them as much as we are patient with those who have nothing to lose. Let us always remember to be patient, loving, kind, caring, because that's how people will know that we're true believers, is how we treat not just the lowly and not just the rich, but how we treat all. Thank you so much for joining us. We look forward to seeing you next time on Rick's Reflections.